Yeah, now that we have seen how to execute command line from command line Kafka scripts, let's now move ahead and what we will do is we will create server properties. So we will dig into server properties, how server properties look like, and we will create multiple copies of server.properties in order to make this single server into a multiple broker. So we will have same IP but different port numbers. So to do that, let's see how we can do it. So for that, let me set up Kafka home first. Once I'm set up Kafka home, so there is server.properties in config folder. So let me create copies of it. So I'm creating one copy and another copy. So I will have three brokers now. So let's see what things we need to change here. In this server.properties. Okay, the first is broker ID. So this we can keep as it is for this file. Similarly, we uh, can comment this as well as this. And instead of your host name, we need to put your host name. So let me see what my host name is, and then I will change it accordingly. So let me see what is my host name. So this is my host name. Uh, External IP. So when we uncomment this advertise listener, we are able to connect it from external servers as well. So let me delete it and let me insert it again. Okay, this looks good now. Similarly, for this log directories, we can keep for this file as it is, but let me give it 0. So this will be for broker 0. So number of partition and all I'm not changing in this file. Anything. We can keep zookeeper as well same. No change needed here. I think yeah, apart from this, there is nothing much change needed in this file. Let's move ahead to the next file. Let's see what we need to change in server1.properties. So we need to make here broker ID 1. So each broker should have his own ID. So let me change here to 1. Okay. Similarly, we can comment this as well as we can delete this and then insert this new advertise listener which we have with IP address. One thing to note here, we need to change the port number. We need to make it 9093. Similarly here as well, we need to make it 9093. So in the earlier file it was 9092. So now in this file it should be 9093, a different port number. Similarly, this log directory should be one. You can give it any name, but it should be different than the earlier one. I think yes, that's it. Nothing change needed here. Let me save and quit. Let's change the final. So here broker ID can be 2. Similarly here port number can be 9094. And similarly I need to change the advertisement listener to 9094 port. Let me do that here. Escape td escape I. So this will change my advertisement listener. I think only one change is needed regarding the logs. Yeah, let me make it 2. And then yeah, save and quit. So now that we have changed all the 3 files, so we have now multiple brokers. So what we will do is now we would use these multiple brokers to connect from Databricks. So let's see how we can do it.